everyone, it is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I know I haven't done an unboxing in a while, but I did receive this, let me look at the postmark. Yeah, back at beginning of February, and it has been sitting on my desk, and I cannot wait to open it. Well, I guess I can wait because I did, but now that I've cleaned my desk off and I have room, I did slice it open so I could open the box itself. This is from Enablers Outpost with Elizabeth Inslee over on Etsy. I'll put the link down below. And I saw this pen. Oh my goodness. Look, Elizabeth always does her Carolina. I love these little tags that she does, and then she puts Enablers Outpost, and she makes those. And then inside, she gives some fun stuff. So this is like a little gummy thing. I don't think it's edible. She puts the placers in here, so I love this thin placer. It's a 7. Yeah, it has a 7 written on it. And then there's a single placer in here. There's some taffy, little stickers. Here, I'm going to put this out. So thank you for supporting small business, Enablers Outpost. I love you very much. Utterly adorable. And then I got some airheads. I don't think this is edible. I think it's just kind of a fun thing. And then a little eraser top, piece of chocolate for my Valentine, and then your single placer and a 7 placer. So she gives a wonderful little kit along with this cute little Enablers Outpost tag. All right, and so then in here, the psychedelic is the pen. Oh, she knows I love the Golden Girls. Oh my goodness. So she got me 2 quote pens. These are amazing, Elizabeth. And that's the thing, is Elizabeth is wonderful. She's a wonderful dear friend. Stay golden. Absolutely love this little pouch. I am going to use it for sure. Oh my goodness, this is adorable too, this little keychain. Sophia, I love it. Elizabeth, thank you so much. And then this little keychain here, she and I are Golden Girl besties, and a wonderful pencil, which is wonderful. So thank you, Elizabeth. I am so grateful to support you and Edward, which we call Mr. Beth. So yes, so thank you so much, Elizabeth. She always goes the extra mile. Okay, so let's slice this baby open. She always takes such great care in wrapping. This is Valentine, Be Mine. You see the backdrop here is from Craftably. It is a Dragonling Frostling. So if you would like your own, I did leave a link down below for 15% off. Feel free to check it out. Oh my goodness, this is stunning. Stunning. So Elizabeth knows that I love green and aqua, and she just is amazing. She gets to know her clients. She has a Facebook group for her Enablers Outpost customers that you can see up and coming blocks that she purchases and that she makes, and she knows I love this. And so she said, hey Jen, I have something coming out. It's this beautiful honeycomb. And Edward actually takes these acrylic blocks and he hand does each one. And I love this husband and wife team, and I love supporting them. This is absolutely gorgeous. And then what you do is you take what she sends. Let me find the pieces. Funny me, I just put them back in here. But you take the pieces she sends and you stick them in here. Now, these are all hand turned, so sometimes they may be loose. That is not Edward or Elizabeth's fault. You're just gonna put a little bit of washi tape around it, but this one turned out really well. It's nice and tight. So there's my pen, and it's absolutely gorgeous. And I have a multi-placer on one side and a single placer on the other. So check out Enablers Outpost, check out their Facebook group. They always have new up-and-coming hybrids, as well as some simpletons, and there's a price bracket for everybody as far as what you're looking for. And if you diamond paint all the time, these are great for your arthritis and with thickness, and yeah, so I absolutely love them. Thank you so much, Elizabeth. Thank you, Edward, for putting in the time and the perfection that you do. So I'm going to actually go off and enjoy my new honeycomb acrylic hand-turned pen. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.